Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of OpenCV in Python on Windows machine. So let's start the video. Before installing OpenCV, you should install Python and PIP on your system. If you don't have Python installed, you can check out my description box as well as you can click on I button to watch the video and install Python. So guys, first of all, I'm going to start my command prompt. So just type CMD in search box and here you can see my command prompt has been started. Now I'm going to type a command Python -- version just to show you what Python version I'm having. Also, I'm going to show you PIP version. So I'm typing PIP -- version. So it is showing me version of PIP. PIP is one of the very important library for installing any of the packages in Python. So guys, now I will open my IDLE and I will show you that I'm not having OpenCV already installed on my PC. So for that I'm just starting my IDLE and here I'm typing a command import CV2, and guys you can see here I'm getting error message that no module name CV2. That means CV2 is not installed. Now let's come back to command prompt again and here I will type PIP space install space OpenCV -Python. So this command will install OpenCV on your system. So here you can see installation has been started. It will not take more time. So guys, my installation is done. Okay, so guys, it is showing me installed successfully. It has installed NumPy as well as OpenCV. For OpenCV, NumPy is required, so it has installed it. Now I'm just closing my IDLE and I'm starting again a new IDLE. So here I just started my IDLE and guys here now I'm going to type import space CV2. Okay, and I'm hitting enter guys, and you can see my shell has written. It's not showing me any error that no module name found. That means it has installed successfully guys. And I'm printing version of OpenCV also, so you can use this statement to check the version. So guys, it means my OpenCV is successfully installed. So guys, if by following my video you are able to successfully install OpenCV, don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to channel, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on bell icon. And guys, I have Telegram channel. There I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes, that too freely. You can join that channel, link in description box. Also I have given my different social media link in description box. Do follow me there. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.